Configuration of FAAC remote and receiver. In this video, we are going to show you how to configure FAAC remote and receiver, pluggable receiver, into any gate motor, gate operator or boom barrier. So to begin with, this is the AC FAAC receiver, which basically receives the signal from the remote to give command to the gate operator to open or close. Now, before connecting this receiver, remember to power off the gate motor. As you can see, okay, first things before we move forward, in this receiver there is a button. This corner, if you see white and black, this is a button actually, right? So we will show you the use of this button later on. You can connect this receiver. There is a pluggable location here. You can connect it inside, insert it fully, and then you can turn on the power. Then, as you see here, there is the button on that corner side. So you have to press the button once. As you can see, the light is beeping. Now all you have to do is press whichever buttons you want to program for this, right? Once you have pressed all the buttons, you can press the button for opening and closing. Now this beeping light will stop shortly. In the meantime, we will show you how to trigger the motor to open and close. You can just take a jumper and jump between 1 and 7. When you do that, you will see the motor is operating. The motor was stopped by the remote. Now I'll show you the operation of the motor with the remote. You can press any button, it will start operating. Again press the button for the motor to stop, and again press for it to reverse back in the closing position. Similarly, in any boom barrier or FAAC, you can program the pluggable receiver and the transmitter, which is this remote. Don't worry if you have any remote of 2 buttons or 4 buttons. All these remotes of FAAC brand can be configured with the FAAC gate operators and FAAC boom barriers. Thank you.